Hello friends, myself Harshada Nilesh Wagh. I am working as assistant professor in civil engineering department of Sanjeevani College of Engineering Kopargaon. So we will be dealing with the subject of transportation engineering course introduction. For this subject we have 3 hours of lecture per week. The examination scheme will be there will be a total of 100 marks for this subject, which will be divided into two parts as in sem exam and end sem exam. In sem exam will be comprising of 30 marks and end sem exam will be of 70 marks. For this subject, to learn with this new subject, that is transportation engineering, you require some prerequisites, like you should have some previous knowledge. Probably we require the knowledge of some science. Project management means project management is required to handle the project, as construction of the road, dams, tunnels, bridge, etc. is also the construction. Hence project management knowledge is also required, and this you have already learned in your previous class of third year. Then valuation, to know what will be the approximate cost for the construction of any project, so valuation plays an important role. Also, as this transportation is going to be a multidisciplinary project, you also should have some basic knowledge of basic civil engineering, which is covered in your first year. Okay, so here all the branches of civil engineering are covered and some knowledge you should have, so it is a prerequisite. Also, as transportation contributes to major part of the economic development of any nation or any country, hence you should also have the knowledge of economics. Okay, then what are the course objectives set for this subject? So provide an insight on traffic and its components, factors affecting road traffic and the design of intersection. Secondly, explain the traffic movement, types of intersection, islands, crossings and their design. Thirdly, explain the properties of aggregates and different test procedures and explanations. Next, explain the origin, properties, constituents, and preparation of bitumen and tar. So, these are the course objectives set for the subject. When you will go through this entire syllabus of transportation engineering, what you will gain is nothing but the course outcomes. So, each unit will give you something written, right? So depending on the unit contents, what you will learn is, after you learn first unit, you will be able to know the various types of roads and road patterns, road development in India, that is vision 2021, and rural road development vision 2025. From second unit, you will be able to acquire and apply the knowledge of highway geometric design, its element, factors affecting road traffic in intersection designs. From third unit, you will acquire and apply the knowledge of traffic, its component, factors affecting road traffic. From fourth unit, you will acquire and apply the knowledge of properties of road aggregates, constituents of bitumen emulsion, cutback bitumen in conducting various laboratory tests. You will be able to design flexible pavement and rigid pavement as per IRC 37 2012 and IRC 58 2015. From 6th unit, you will be able to know the construction of GSB, WBM and waterbound macadam. Now, here are some unit-wise contents. From first unit, you will learn the highway development and planning. Second unit comprises of geometric design of highway. Third unit comprises of traffic engineering and control. Fourth unit comprises of pavement material. Fifth unit comprises of pavement design. Sixth unit is divided into two parts. A part constitutes of pavement construction and B part comprises of modern trends in highway material construction and maintenance. Okay, so here is the list of some textbooks and reference books. So all these books are available in our library. as well as some soft copies also available on internet. So textbooks which are preferred are Highway Engineering by Justo and Khanna, Principles of Highway Engineering and Traffic Analysis by Mannering, Principles and Practices of Highway Engineering by Dr. L.R. Kadiali. Some reference some reference books are suggested. So first one, A Course in Highway Engineering by S.P. Bindra, Principles of Transportation Engineering by G.V. Rao, Highway Engineering by Rangwala, Principles of Transportation Engineering by Parth Chakrabarti. Apart from these books, some other references are also given by the government, that is NCHRP, National Cooperative Highway Research Program, and FHWA, that is Federal Highway Authority. This soft copy is available on internet. You can go through it. Then course suggested which we require for practicals as well as for some theory purpose is IS 1220 in 1998, IS 1286 part 1 to 5. Along with this, you also require IRC 582015 and IRC 372012. Some e-resources are required like NPTEL, FHWA. You can go through this and you can get much more knowledge. Why exactly is the need of transportation? Transportation engineering is essentially the use of science and technology for organizing, functioning, managing transportation system. The major motive of any transportation system is to make sure that the passage of people and commodities is secure, structured, swift, pleasant, suitable, inexpensive, and eco-friendly. That's a lot. But you may argue, is the transportation problem so tough that an engineer is need to solve it? Right? Can't we just add a signal or something? To answer this, take an instant of a situation when needless or an excess of traffic controls are installed. The result of such situation usually don't end very well, with some cases being hazardous. So, the moral of a story is that the transportation system needs to function with proper engineering plans, and that is where comes the need of transportation engineering. Also, it is evident that transportation is the key component of nation's progress. In India, infrastructure is growing at a rapid pace. Transportation system needs to cope up with the progress. The role of transportation engineer is to develop efficient transportation system that fulfill these needs. Also, transportation engineering could review the effect of urban development on traffic system. It stimulates the traffic in an intersection to make sure that traffic movement is smooth. Consider developing system to enable pedestrian movement. Redesign existing transportation system. Apart from these technicalities, transportation engineer also needs to study the mindset and manners of the transportation system users to come up with the proper solution. Right? As we know, India ranks third worldwide in the road network. But what boggles the mind is that in India, traffic is increasing with an annual rate of 10%. Currently, India loses more than 60,000 crores a year due to the traffic congestion. To reduce these losses, road networks are going through a major upgrade. 30,000 kilometers of new highway roads and 8 lakh of rural paved tracks are being added in the list. Engineers with practical skills in the transportation engineering will be in high demand to help develop the nation's transportation system. Hence, it is necessary for us to learn this transportation engineering subject. So, we will stop here and continue in detail in next lecture.